Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a show and tell and like an install of this unit that I'm showcasing for you all today. So this unit is from CutiePietresses. If you are interested in checking this hair out, I will link all the information you would need to know, as well as any direct links in my description box. So I want to start this video off by showing you guys the cap construction of this unit. This is a left part U-part wig, and you can choose whether you want a middle part or a right side part. I chose a left, even though I'm a right side part type of chick. I just want to, switch it up a little bit. Inside you get two of those kind of snap clips in the front, and you get a third one in the middle, as well as adjustable straps and a comb in the back. So I have a little, raggedy braiding pattern that I'm going to show you guys. So what I did was I left some leave out in the front and right where the parting is going to be, so I can cover up that section. And I did like an anchor braid right here. So now that I have that access area cut off, I'm going to try the wig on. I tried this wig on earlier, so I will say it's definitely big head friendly. So, okay, it seems like it's going to fit pretty good. I'm going to snap the middle one in first. For extra security, I'm going to go ahead and take some bobby pins because they didn't add like an extra clip on the side. So I'm just going to use a large size bobby pin on either side just for, a little more security. But I'm going to use my Got To Be Bleached gel to smooth my edges back. So now that you guys have seen the install process, which was, I feel like it was fairly easy for someone who doesn't mind manipulating their natural hair. Now, I didn't really have to put much heat on my natural hair. I could have just like blow dried it just a little bit or just combed it out nicely to make it blend with this hair if I wasn't going to add heat to this hair. However, I love the blowed out kinky look, but I love to make it look just a little bit more relaxed. That way it's sitting like really nicely and it's not like so puffy and hot, because kinky texture hairs is hot, y'all, period. So if I didn't mention before, this is a U-part wig, 16 inches long. It's in their kinky straight texture. They do have other textures, and one thing that I love about this company, I checked out various reviews on them, and I noticed that looking through their website, they only cater to like African American hair textures, or I'm not even going to say African American hair textures because there's other nationalities who have kinky hair. So I'm just going to say they cater to women of color. You know what I mean? So I'm definitely going to give them, if I can give them 3 thumbs up, Lord, I will give them 3 thumbs up for that, because I love to see companies that gravitate toward women of color, you know, because sometimes we get left out. So I'm here for that, CutiePietresses. Now, even though this unit has a lot, and I mean a lot of density to it. Now, even though this hair has a lot of density to it, what the hell was that? Take 3. Even though this hair has a lot of density to it, it's super lightweight on my head. It's not heavy at all. It's a little hot though, but it's not heavy at all. It's very lightweight. This is all the hair to the front, and it's super duper thick and full while still being lightweight. I'm going to go ahead and add a coupon code on the screen just in case you want to check this unit out. Save you some coins while you're at it. As far as like shedding and tangling, this is how much shedding that I got through the overall styling process. That's not that much if you ask me, because this is my initial install, so I don't feel like it's going to like tangle too much. However, like you guys know, this is my first day, so I can't really speak fully to that. I'm just going to say I predict that the shedding shouldn't be too harsh. With kinky textures, they sit so near and dear to my heart because I love how they last, and you don't get like a lot of tangling. And I can appreciate that when it comes to having a unit in that you may want to rock for an extended amount of time. I feel like you won't have a lot of fussing going on with this unit, because what you see is what you get. And the styling process, once you make sure your hair is blending right, you are good to go. You can wear this hair in endless ways. You can go ahead and add curls to this unit, which I was going to do, but I decided to wear it just in its flat iron state because I don't know, I just feel like it's serving a vibe. It looks super natural. You guys let me know down below how you feel about this unit. I feel like it looks really natural. I feel like I got like, when my hair is dry, it's looking more 4C, but when I add products to it, it's more like in the 4B, 4C category. So if you have a texture close to that, then this unit would suit you very well. For it to be 16 inches, I feel like it's hitting really good. So you're definitely getting all of your inches. Now, I'm pretty sure you guys can tell that my natural hair, the edges is kind of thin, but with this particular style, it's still blended in perfectly. So if you do struggle with that, I feel like you should be able to pull it off. You may need to add like maybe some type of edge control to help fill out your edges. I don't know, that's just a little side note because I have been struggling with that for like the past couple of years. But I feel like with this unit, it's just everything is just sitting really nicely, and I don't have any complaints so far. So if you guys are interested in checking out this wig, I will leave all links to CutiePietresses in my description box. Once again, if you're gonna decide to purchase, use that coupon code to save you some extra money. Let me know down below, what do you think about this wig? I haven't worn a U-part wig in forever, and the last time I worn a U-part wig, I actually made it myself. So it was really nice to have this unit already pre-made for me. And I have seen other companies make U-part wigs, and their units come with lace to cut, and it seems like their parting space is super wide, which means you have to leave a lot more hair out. With this particular unit, the parting space is narrow, so you don't have to leave a lot of your natural hair out, and I'm all the way here for that. So if you guys have made it this far, go ahead and hit me with a thumbs up, share this video, and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next video.